Well, good evening, good evening, good evening. So it's that time of day. Jess has had her dinner and it's now my time to eat. I did promise you that I was going to film some cooking, so here we are. Let me just show you where we're at. Watching those two beastie seagulls, to be honest with you, just to find out they might fancy my dinner. But anyway, we are having prawn risotto. Risotto, if you're American. No, we're not. We're having risotto. We're having prawns with risotto. So I bagged these little babies from Aldi. One's with vegetables, one's with lemon and almonds. And I'm thinking vegetable with prawns for some reason. Don't know why. Lemon and almonds. Might be quite nice. Fuck it. We'll go lemon and almonds. So, let's go. Gas is on. Empty packet, and then it needs quite a lot of water, I seem to remember it saying. So what we're going to do is we're just going to keep, well, we're going to start with some wine. Of course we are. We're going to start with quite a lot of wine actually. Hope that's all right with everyone. I'm just going to turn that down a little bit. So yeah, risotto, wine, water, which is, what I'm learning is you lose everything all the time. It's an absolute joke. You can't find anything. You keep opening doors, putting stuff in places. It's a real challenge. And then we've got a spoon. Spoon. So I have no idea what this is going to come out like, to be honest with you, so don't judge. But I need to find my water. 2 seconds. Right, water found. I'm just going to eyeball it with the water, if I'm being honest with you, because I know how I like my risotto and I know how much water it takes. So we're just going to go bit by bit and see how we get on. I won't film the whole thing because it's going to be boring AF. And then we've got some king prawns to go in it. I was going to shove them in as they are. And then we've got some salad to go with it as well. And that's it. That's going to be dinner. So I'm going to let that rice soak up a little bit. But these are really cool. They're £1.99 and they probably feed like 3 people. But I'm just going to cook the whole thing. But yeah, really worth it. It's got all the flavourings and everything in there. Aldi or Lidl, one of the two. I don't shop at expensive places, so it 100% be one of the two there. Let's get some action cam going on. Bobbing away nicely. Dog's asleep at the back, look. I have vented the door at the back and I have got the doors open here, so don't start having a go at me. Everyone, get off my keys. So yeah, that's looking alright so far. We'll give that a few more minutes and then we'll start to add some more water as it starts to absorb, swallow the water, so they say in Italy. I think that was a good shout though. Let's have a swig. Jesus Christ, it's sharp. Yeah, it's alright, it's not bad. It's not bad, it's not bad. So, I'm regretting the lemon risotto now. Should have gone vegetable, but there we are. And for dessert, we've got some shortbread, obviously. Some Scottish shortbread for me and Jessie to have a nibble on whilst we are watching YouTube this evening. And I can't wait. We've got a cracking little campsite again tonight. And I'm starting to... Oh, shit's gone out. Hold on. I'm starting to realise in life that you just keep going. So when you see a campsite or a park up and you think, oh, that looks all right, you tend to just want to keep going, but in the back of your mind, you're worried that when you get to the next place, it's not going to be as nice as that place. But so far on this trip, I know I've only stopped out 2 nights, but so far on this trip, I've pushed it and I've ended up at the best place. So I did stop at a campsite. I'm currently in like on the west coast of Scotland now. I drove across into Glencoe, back into Fort William. I'll show you that on the map now anyway. So this stretch of beaches is only around about 35 minutes from Fort William. If you head out of Fort William along the road towards Mallaig, you're going to go past the Glenfinnan viaduct and a memorial. And if you keep heading towards Mallaig, you'll come to an area which is where I am at the moment, called Camasturrock Beach. Lots of campsites available along the beach, loads of places to stop, and most of the campsites have their own part of the beach as well, and it is absolutely beautiful. I would say it tops some of the North Coast 500 for me. The sands and the white sands, which I'll show you on a video coming up, are absolutely beautiful. So it's not coming on too bad. Looks like looks like baby food, man. I haven't got any salt either, so it's going to be frigging disgusting. I was going to put extra cheese in there though to make up for that, but it's coming along, I think. It's just not the right. I should have gone vegetable. Too late now though. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So that's starting to absorb some of that water now. So I think we'll go some more water, a bit more wine, a bit more water, a bit more wine. And I reckon that's probably not far off. And then got some cheese. Some cheese to go in the bad boy too. Starving. Okay, so I think we're almost there, to be honest with you. It reminds me of semolina or grits, if you've ever been to America. But actually doesn't taste too bad, but it is starting to burn a bit. So, and it's a wee bit crunchy, but I don't think crunchiness hurt anybody, did it? Have a wee taste. Yeah, it's rank. No, that's right. Okay, we're going to go with the prawns. Oh fuck it. Go hard to go home, right? Okay. It looks like you're disgusted. Okay, they're going to give him 2 minutes to them to cook. We're going to add a bit more wine. I've got no salt and pepper, which is the main problem, my main drama, to be honest with you. Because I like a lot of salt in my food, because I'm naughty. So yeah, I'm going to let those prawns cook. And then I'm going to add loads of cheese. Try and pretend that it's salt. But it's not too bad actually. It's not too bad, it tastes alright. Plus it's warm and it's food. So I'll give those prawns a minute on now, I think. Another minute on the prawns. I really wish I had some pepper, but I don't. So only alternative I've got a stock cube, some brown sauce, or some ketchup. So nah, I'm just going to go as it is, I think. Okay, heat's off. We'll add some cheese. Just a little bit. Put some of that in there, and then I'm going to put some on top as well. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you soon.